In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Shein account using your Gmail. Whether you're new to the Shein platform or just looking for a hassle-free way to set up your account, this guide is here to simplify the process for you. Let's dive right in and get started. First off, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Shein website. You can do this by typing in www.shein.com in the address bar. Once the website has loaded, take a look at the top right corner of the home page. Here, you'll find the option labeled Sign In, Register. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you've clicked on the Sign In, Register option, you'll be directed to a new page. Since you're creating a new account, you'll want to choose the Register button. This will guide you to the registration options available on Shein. To make things easier and quick, we're going to focus on registering through Google today. Look for and select the option that says Continue with Google. Choosing this option allows you to link your new Shein account directly with your Gmail, streamlining the login process. Once you select the Continue with Google option, a pop-up window will appear. Within this window, you'll either select the Gmail account you'd like to associate with your Shein account, or if you're not already signed into Google, you'll need to log in using your Gmail credentials. After you've chosen your Gmail account or signed in, you might be asked to allow Shein access to your Gmail account. This is simply a standard authorization process, permitting Shein to connect and create your account using your Gmail information. Make sure to click Allow when prompted. With that done, you're just a step away from completing the registration. You will be redirected back to the Shein website, where you'll find that your account has been successfully created. You now have full access to explore and shop on Shein, with the convenience of using your Google account for future logins. And there you have it. Your Shein account is now up and running, all thanks to your Gmail account. This seamless method of account creation not only saves you time, but also ensures a secure login process. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helped you set up your Shein account with ease. Happy shopping!